Hey guys, it's RGN Retro Gaming Ninja coming back tonight with a video that's really not going to be game related, other than my friends here, Yoshi and Toad, that are here. I'm going to do a quick unboxing tonight. I got something in the mail that I'm looking forward to trying actually in my truck. Alright. As you can see, the smiley face is from Amazon. Now, I don't know if you guys... Smiley face, the other one was a frowny face. That wasn't good. I don't know if you guys heard about this product yet or not. This is an Echo for your automobile. So, what do we have in the box? Well, first, we have a manual, which has some details on it. Zoom in so you guys can see this a little bit. Basically just an instruction on how to hook it up to your car and your vehicle and things like that. So Echo Auto is what this product is called officially. My wife actually signed up. This is just a little things to try with Echo command card. Signed up for this a while back, and we got the invitation last week and placed the order. It was like 24 bucks. So in the box you have 2 USB 12 volt cigarette jack lighter adapter. You also have looks like a 3.5 millimeter audio jack. So that's pretty cool. You also have, what is this? This is a micro USB adapter. We have a Amazon alcohol pad. Okay. This is a rubber self-adhesive. I guess this is a magnet. Okay. And here it is. This is the Echo Auto. You have your on-off button and your not listen button. You have a micro USB and aux, which is your 3.5, and some rubber feet on the bottom here, and this looks like where this thing will maybe sit, like so. And the reason you have this guy is because with this you also get the Echo Auto air vent mount.
Sorry, I'm not sure.
And that was my Echo responding to me saying the word Echo, because she likes to put the name Echo. So in here you have the auto vent holder. These are soft, and this is kind of rubbery. This is what goes into the vent, and it turns, from what I understand. Up here, this is a cord management here, and then this is where the sits on a fairly strong magnet too. See, that is pretty strong. So it'll go into your air vent and it'll sit there, and it will take commands just like your Alexa does. So you can use it for navigation, you can use it for audio, you can use it for pretty much anything that you use an Echo Dot for. So looking forward to getting this all synced up with the Ford, my truck. I'll give you guys some feedback in the future on how well this actually works in the truck. This here is actually for just mounting it on the dash. Adhesive back you can put on the dash with a magnet if you want to forego the air vent. Alright guys, short quick video for tonight. An unboxing of the Echo Auto. I'm thinking it's going to be really great, but I'll be able to give you guys some more feedback in the future. As always, if you like this video, leave a comment or a like, and we'll see you next time.